Hey, how's it going? This is Fred. Just want to come out and do a quick video. I know it's been a long time since I've done one, maybe a couple weeks, and I haven't been as consistent as I wanted to be. Tried to come on live, but unable to do so. Something was going on with the app, so not able to do it live. Wanted to try to get some interaction with you guys to help answer any questions that you guys might have in regards to credit. Unfortunately, it wasn't working, and I apologize for that in advance. But I do want to make it a priority to get to you guys, get some questions answered that might help you guys in your quest to get better credit. Now, we are in 2020 now. We're in that new year, the new decade, and a lot of things have come. A lot of people have spoke with me so far. We're a couple weeks in now. Today's the 14th, and you know, some of the things that strike me that I wanted to touch on was the different types of programs available to help increase your scores, the different things that are going to help you in the long run with your credit, and just things that you can do, tips and tricks that might help you. Now, we do offer all these services, so I wanted to let you guys know that if this is something that may work for you, we'd love to be able to speak with you. You guys can always go to the website and submit a request for an appointment, so that way we can go ahead and answer any questions that you might have. Okay, so one of the first things that a lot of people come to me with is in regards to student loans. And this is a very important topic, especially because we're at the new portion of the year, the new part of the year, and we wanted to talk about student loans in particular, especially if you are late on your payments. Now, a lot of people who come to me are getting their taxes offset because of unpaid student loans. Maybe they're in collections for unpaid student loans, and this is not a be-all. You know, this is something that we can work on and help you work on to try to help you get in a better position. Now, what do we mean by this is we have services for student loans to help with the tax offset, to help with collections where your accounts are in collections. Now, a lot of times people don't understand or know how the student loan game works. So I'm going to go ahead and try to break it down for you guys, kind of give you guys a rough idea of how it works and why you have so many student loans. So every time there's a disbursement made on your behalf, either to the school or on a loan that you took out while you were in school, that counts as one loan. So sometimes you might have two loans given out on the same day. Sometimes you might have a loan given out every 6 weeks or so. Whatever the case is, these all count as one loan. So the first thing that we always recommend our clients to do is to try to consolidate those. And the reason being is if you're late on a payment, it's better to be late on one account rather than on several accounts. A lot of times we have people with 15, 20 accounts. And when you have this many late payments, it just really kills your credit score. Especially with student loans, they really don't start marking you late until you're 90 days in most circumstances with these federal loans. So you could be 30, 60 days late and not even have a late payment reporting on your credit report. But once you hit that 90-day late, now not only are you late, but you're 90 days late, which really kills the score. And then when you times that by however many accounts you have, that's even worse off. Okay. The second thing is a loan rehab. So rehabs are something that we can help you with. Now, with a rehab, what that is you know, it's based on your family size, how you're filing your taxes, and your income. Okay. So this is something that we can work with you on to help you try to get into a loan rehab. So if you are with a collection agency, you know, we can try to help you get out of that. Sometimes we're able to get our clients a payment as low as $5 a month. You just have to make that for 9 payments. What we try to have you do is schedule a payment every 20 days. So that way, instead of having to wait 6 months, 9 months, you're able to do it in 6. Once you rehab that loan, what they do is they remove the late payments. So this is the first service that we offer, student loan services. Okay. Our main company model is credit repair. And with credit repair, what we do is we help identify negative information on your credit report that's either misleading, incorrect, inaccurate, unverifiable, misleading, or reporting past the statutes based on the type of reporting for that type of, whatever is being reported. So we help identify this, and then we use different state and federal laws to help get those accounts either removed, repaired, or corrected. So that's what our main job is. What we do is we use factual disputing methodology, integrated with Metro 2 compliance request, and this is our main service of what we offer. These types of services typically last anywhere between 4 to 6 months. A lot of times we're able to get you done a lot faster. It all just depends on how many items are on the report and how the bureaus are responding. We can't make any type of guarantees against CROA, the Credit Repair Organizations Act, but just something for you to know in regards to our credit repair services. Third item that we're going to talk about is business credit. So we have 2 different services for our business credit. We have a do-it-yourself business credit software. We call it our business credit mastery system. And this is for the entrepreneur who is either in business or wants to begin a company. This helps lay the groundwork of starting and establishing a credible business in the lender's eyes. We help you identify your problems with how your company is currently and help walk you through an interactive web-based system. So that's the do-it-yourself portion. Or we also have a coaching platform, and the coaching platform is where we have our coaches dedicated to help you to start to build your company credibly in the lender's eyes. But we kind of walk you through everything. Do you have a website? If no, then we'll go ahead and try to lead you in the direction to get that portion done. Do you have a bank account, EIN, DUNS number, these types of things? We walk you through that. There's a credit coach that will help walk you through the whole system. Okay, so that's our business credit side. We have recommendations that we give all of our clients who are in our credit repair system or not. Whether they need to obtain any type of personal trade lines. What we do is we have a recommended series of companies that we recommend to help start that process. So a lot of times, most of our clients have a bunch of accounts, but they're all negative, or majority are negative. In these types of circumstances, what's needed for the client is to start the rebuilding process. So what we do is we've compiled a list of a few different creditors to help build your credit, and this is with the idea of getting funding later down the line. Okay, that leads me into the next two systems that we offer. First thing is credit funding. Okay, so we have personal and business funding. Okay, so on the personal side, we have funding. The funding is 10% on what we're able to secure for you. So if we're able to get you, if you're looking at trying to get personal loans or credit cards, this is a service that we do offer. It is a 10% fee on the back end. So you're not paying up front, but when you get your card, you are billed and invoiced at that time. Okay. A lot of times people need money for various reasons, whether they just need something to, maybe they want some furniture or whatever the case might be. This is a great way to help you get those types of accounts that you need to get you what you need. Okay, so personal funding, there's a 10% fee. Sometimes our clients need Tradelines to help with their age. So, and I'm not talking about age of how old you are, but the age of your credit. We like to see a minimum of 6 to 7 years on average. So based on how many accounts you have, we want to kind of see where you stand, and with where you stand, we want those to be around 6 to 7 years long on average across the board. So if you have an account that's 2.5 years old and another account that's 5 months old, you have two accounts. What you do is you have a 2.5 year account, and then say it was 6 months, which is a half a year. So you have two accounts, total of 3 years. So you just divide the account years, which is 3 years, divide that by the two accounts that you have an average age of 1.5 years. So that's the first thing. So what we've done is we come up with a solution to help combat this, and we are now offering Tradelines. So if you needed to piggyback on somebody else's credit to help you either with utilization rates, or which would help you lower your overall utilization, or if you needed to get age, we have Tradelines that we offer, and this is on a case-by-case scenario, because different accounts are available at different times. It all depends on when you need the accounts, when they're available, and what type of account you need. So sometimes you might need an older account, you might need a higher limit. So whatever the case is, we have hundreds and hundreds of accounts that we can offer to you. We do have group discounts if you buy 3 or more Tradelines. So that was something that might help you with your funding, if that's what you're looking for, is trying to get funding. So with that being said, I just want to take a few moments to kind of go over the services, let you know that we are in that new year. So I want to kind of go over these things to help you understand what it is that we offer and how we may be able to help you. If you found this useful, hit that thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, as they might need to benefit from what's been said today. And as always, we look forward to working with you. If you have any ideas or topics that you want to go over specifically, drop a comment below, and what we'll do is we'll try to come up with a live video, so that way we can interact. You could ask questions as we're going through it. I hate doing the videos where we're not interactive, where we can't really answer the questions that you're looking for. We want to make sure that we give you the information that you need when you need it, so that way we can get you the most up-to-date and current information. So with that being said, I want to thank you for your time. If you have any questions, you feel free to reach out. I did want to drop the website, and I will put it in the comments in the description below. But the website is approvedmyscore.com. On the right side, you can schedule an appointment with me, and I'll go ahead and get back with you to schedule an appointment. I can go ahead and contact you back. Like I said, I look forward to speaking with you, hearing from you, listening to your comments or what you have questions in regards to. Love to be able to answer those questions for you. So with that being said, thank you, and have a great day.